Alright folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon, folks, out there Avon Park Air Modelers Field. Going to do the maiden on the brand new to me, FREEWING Avanti version 2. So let's go out, take her up, do the maiden. Never had her in the air, running a 5000 HRB. And I've got the FREEWING brand of afterburner. Right, left, up, down, right, left. My rates are 100% throws over 30% expo. Oh yeah, she's got brakes too, all the way around. 100%, 30% expo. I just, at the end of the day, after I fly the planes, I seem to always end up going back to that. Okay, right, left, right. Get a look at that afterburner. All right. Like I say, this is the maiden flight of the FREEWING Avanti version 2. I've got a Lemon RX Gen 2 receiver, no stabilization. Here's a little bit of right aileron trim. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh man, what a great flying jet. I understand now. Still need a little bit of right aileron. Not too bad though.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Yeah, the book rates are right as far as throws and everything.
Braking. Brakes off.
Yeah. Okay. All right, we're gonna, since I'm cross runway breeze, don't matter. I'll just take off from this direction.
Gear up.
All right, I'm going down here. We're gonna take her up. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Oh folks, you just don't know how much I needed this. I'll go back towards the road. Oh yeah.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Oh, what a sweet flying jet. Sweet flying jet. Actually, I'm too high right now. Trying to hit any birds. Oh yeah.
Flaps up.
All right.
Brakes off.
Got one more in us. So next time we'll try, might try coming in from that direction there. All right, take off flaps.
Take off flaps. Time remaining 1 minute. Flaps up. Gear up.
All right, we're gonna come back by and do a low pass.
Landing flaps.
Kind of low and slow. Just not that slow.
Seconds. Gear down.
All right, gears down.
Seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Grass landing. Not a problem for that gear.
1. Time expired.
Oh yeah. Could have used brakes, but to be honest, I forgot about them.
Braking. Brakes off. Braking. Brakes off.
All right, we went 30 seconds, like 20 seconds over on a 4-minute and 10-second timer.
Motor off.
Motor off. I'll tell you right now, that was a successful maiden. Boy, that was. Man, I understand the hype now. And yeah, I used my original setup from the first Avanti in the computer, or in the well, that is a computer, but in the transmitter. But man, I tell you, yeah, she's locked in. I had a little right aileron, a little bit of up elevator, but that was it. And I still got 42% left. All right, let me show you where I've got the battery. Basically, you move your strap. You're going to want to take that wood plate out to route your wires underneath, and then put the wood plate back down. While you're at it, move the strap to the middle portion, just like Wesley, the specialist at Motion RC, says to do. And put that 5,000 dead center, and man, CG's perfect right there. Right there is where I've got the Limit RX Gen 2 with one receiver antenna going this way, one going straight down into the belly of the plane. So I got 9 degrees diversity. And of course I got the afterburner, but I've had to unplug it to check the battery. But man, what a jet. Let me plug that back in so that we can get a nice glamour shot of this beautiful plane. And I don't know, no, actually it's not even going to be on right now, but here, I'll turn it on a little bit. That should be enough to... Oh. Okay. Scratch that. Let's not do that. That'll be part of the blooper reel. All right, folks, but just look at this plane. Look at how beautiful this thing is. I mean, you got the lights, the strobe underneath, the strobe on top, the lights at the end, the wing tips, and of course then the beautiful after booty, our fire afterburner, after booty. Folks, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC, saying God bless each and every one of you. And I'm sorry, emotional. It's just been an emotional day for other reasons, and I just really needed this right now. Bye.